Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer files from an iPhone to an Android. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. So first open the Files app on your iPhone and locate the files you want to transfer. So after that, go to the App Store and download the Google Drive and sign in with your Google account. So make sure that you are using the same account on your Android device, okay? And then afterwards, just tap the plus button in the bottom right corner of Google Drive here and create a new folder. For example, iPhone to Android, like so. So once you've created a folder, open the folder and tap the plus button again and choose upload file. So browse your iPhone files and select the ones to transfer, like so, and it will then start uploading. So once you upload it on your Android device, open the Google Drive app and ensure that you're logged into the same account. Okay? So if not, then simply tap your profile icon at the top right here and select the same account you use in your iPhone. Or you can select add another account if you haven't signed in that account yet. So once settled, just locate the folder you created, the iPhone to Android, and tap and hold on a file, then tap the three dots and choose download right here. After that, the files will download to your Android device. And that's pretty much it. That's how you can transfer files from an iPhone to an Android. So I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we'd really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.